Hey guys, Austin Brinker coming to you with your Brink Daily Wisdom. Hey, today I want to come to you with an idea from a book I heard this morning going to work. The book is called How to Make Shit Happen by Sean Whalen. And it's a good listen if you get a chance. It's called How to Make Shit Happen by Sean Whalen. But here's the concept. And it's called Core 4. Core 4. Do you ever feel like life is chaotic, right? Like you're juggling all these different things and you don't know how you're going to hang in there, how you can manage all these different things going on in life, and you just feel like you're drowning? Chances are you've felt that way, right? If you're human, you've felt that way. I feel like that all the time. But then I come back to this book every time I feel that way because he introduces me to this idea called Core 4. And the idea is basically this, right? In life, we only really need to take care of 4 areas of life to feel like we're in control and successful or achieve, right? 4 areas: physical, mental, relationships, and business, right? Physical. Every day, you got to break a sweat. Maybe Sundays take off. I like to take Sundays off. But every day, break a sweat somehow. Take care of your body, right? It's your temple. It's the only place you have to live the rest of your life. Quit making excuses and find 30 minutes to work out, at least, all right? Mental. Every day, you got to purposely feed your mind good stuff. Otherwise, negative stuff's going to find its way in there. With the news, with gossip, it's all around us, right? So you have to be purposeful about feeding your mind with the right stuff, whether it's books, audio books, podcasts. Every day I listen to I finish a book almost a day, honestly. But that's not to brag. That's just because I'm very purposeful about what I put in my mind. I know how powerful my mind is. I know how powerful your mind is. So mental. And then third is relationships. It's also like purpose and spiritual. It's another way to say that. So relationships could be your relationship with God. I know that's a big part of my relationship. Huge. Number 1. But it's also, if you have any lingering issues with any loved ones, friends, anything, that it's like taking a piece of pie out of a pizza, right? You're not going to perform at 100% if you're missing that ingredient of your core 4. So that's why it's so important to just clear the air with anyone in your life. Forgive them, move on. It's so important, guys, because if you're always operating at 75%, how successful can you be at 75%? How much money are you leaving on the table? Which brings me to my 4th part of Core 4, which is business. Also money. How are your finances? What do you do for a living? Do you work a job or do you own a business? Right? So this is what the 4th aspect is about. And I believe we were created by the Creator to be productive. Right? We feel good when we're productive. So that every day when you get to work, whether it's your own business or at a job, give your employer the best you have. Give your business the best you have, because it is one of the core 4. All right, guys, that's it. Physical, mental, relationships, and business. All right, guys, catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.